Start online meetings and sessions on Convay. To join a Convay meeting, you can simply click the meeting invitation link. After clicking the link, you will see this window. Here, you can set up your audio and video before joining. Now, enter your name and click the Continue button. Then, you will be able to join the Convay meeting. You do not need a Convay account for this. Now, let's see how you can join or start meetings from your Convay account. First, go to the Convay website at www.convay.com. Here, you will see the Sign In button. Click on it. If you did not log out last time, you will go directly to your dashboard. From the Join button, you can join online meetings using an invited meeting ID or personal meeting link. From here, you can start a scheduled meeting that you set up earlier. And from here, you can start an instant meeting. Before starting any meeting, you can set up the host controls. There are multiple options you can choose based on your preference. Now, click Start Now to start the meeting. You will see the host control settings again before joining. Click Start to begin the meeting. After starting the meeting, you can invite others. Click here and you will see the meeting ID and meeting link. And that's it. That's how you can join or start your Convay meetings. Experience smarter online meetings with Convay.